Hello everyone, and welcome to my final update on a major nor'easter that will impact the East Coast. In this video, we are going to talk about my personal snowfall forecast, the latest timing, trajectory, winds, and wave heights expected with this storm. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing for future weather updates. Let's start. Before we get into the other information, let's start by looking at the current watches and warnings from the National Weather Service. Those orange colors along the coast are blizzard warnings, for winds between 50 and 60 miles per hour, with occasional gusts up to hurricane force. These winds and extremely heavy snow is incredibly dangerous, so stay indoors for the entire duration of this event. Not only should travel be avoided, but flying debris is possible. Those pink colors are winter storm warnings, mainly for heavy snowfall and treacherous travel. Strong gusty winds are still likely in areas where blizzard warnings aren't in effect. Those purple colors, which cover places from the northeast all the way to South Carolina, are in effect for some light snow that could accumulate, causing dangerous travel. And lastly, we have some wind chill advisories and freeze-related alerts for nearly all of Florida. Let's time this out. Light snow is already moving across the northeast, before it is joined by our major storm. This nor'easter will come up the coast, lashing coastlines with blinding snowfall, monster waves, and near hurricane force winds. It will continue north throughout the day Saturday, into Sunday. By midday Sunday, the storm is already into Canada. Here is the wind accumulation map. This shows the strongest winds over the next 3 days. If you live in those yellow shades, expect gusty winds between 20 and 35 miles per hour when this storm passes. Once you get into those pink and purple colors, you may see gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour, with gusts between 60 and even 70 miles per hour in those light blue colors. The strongest winds look to be around Cape Cod, where hurricane force winds are possible. Here is the wave height forecast. Expect waves between 5 and 10 feet tall from North Carolina and northward, with the highest waves being around Massachusetts. Waves could be between 11 and 15 feet tall around Boston, with waves as high as 25 feet tall around Cape Cod. If you add these monster waves with near hurricane force winds, this could cause coastal flooding, so look out for that as well. Now for the last portion of the video, my snowfall forecast. We begin in the lightest blue layer, where you can expect anywhere between a trace to 3 inches of snow, with 4 to 5 inches of snow possible if you are closer to the pink color. If you live there, you could see between 5 to 8 inches of snowfall, with 8 to 12 inches possible in the darker purple. If you live in the darkest purple, you could see 12 to 18 inches of snow, with 18 to 24 inches of snow expected in that bright pink. I do expect some isolated areas to get closer to 30 inches of snow, especially if you get under a very heavy band of snow. Well, that's all the weather information for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. Help spread the word about this dangerous storm by sharing this video. See you soon.